machine is just in front. They're not going hell for leather either. They know it's about the long game. They want the podium finish. They need the points. Sylvain Guintoli, man who had to push the bike back to the garage. It is a good way to finish. This team are astonishing in their performance and in their reliability, the way that they deal with everything so flawlessly. Yoshimura Sert Motul, the Suzuki, is heading round for the final time here at Le Mans. Sylvain Guintoli will pace it nice and gently. Nobody's flying by his ears. They all want to make it to the finish. They're all looking for the photo and for the result. And as the clock ticks round to 24 hours, it is victory once more at Le Mans for the reigning champions. Yoshimura Sert Motul, they claim the win. Greg Black, Xavier Simeon, Sylvain Guintoli and the crew. And just ahead of them on the road, Karel Hanneke, with Marvin Fritz and Nicola Caneva, rode well, but again, trouble came and found them. Second place after that disastrous start that the bike would not go and they were last away is a great recovery. And fourth overall, a great super stop win for Team Newsweek Sapeur-Pompier. They will be really happy with that result. Pit lane perhaps not the best place to celebrate, but this is certainly the right time for the survivors of the Vainqueur Motor 2022 to celebrate their achievement along with this huge crowd of joyful fans. And there are your race winners. Sylvain Guintoli celebrates with Greg Black and Xavier Simeon.
The team has been incredible. My teammates did a great job. It's been an incredible race, such a high pace, so really happy, you know.
And Xavier, the next race is in Belgium, Spa, 4th and 5th of June. What can we expect there?
We expect the same, but it will be another race, another story. It will be again very difficult because our opponents were very fast during this race. It was a very difficult race, and I think in Spa will be the same. So I hope the result will be the same also.
It is going to be great to go back to Spa, but for now, our points leaders and Le Mans winners, Yoshimura Sert Motul from Yamaha and FCC TSR Honda France, hanging on for third. There is the fabulous Le Mans 24-hour trophy. Again, lifted by number one, Sert Suzuki. Their defence in perfect style with a victory, but Yamaha and TSR are